How to make friends and users I follow can invite me to private servers on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your friends and users you follow can invite you to private servers on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and here click these 3 points in the bottom corner and then go down, click settings and now privacy, and here just go down and you will find this one, who can invite me to private servers. Click on it and then select friends and users I follow, and now your friends and users you follow can invite you to private servers. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and then see you in the next video.